OFM Sport.
France, seeing that the kid is from Victoria, Carl Else, next season. You'll be really excited about him, his abilities. He showed against 2 weeks ago exactly what he's capable of. So it's a lucky signing for the Cheetahs.
Yeah, look, we're excited to see him, to see him play in the Cheetahs jersey. I think he can add a lot of value. And I mean, the young guys like Arnu and all of them coming through. Niels is also still young, but he's got a lot of experience by now. So, but just players learning from him, and I think he's going to have a massive impact in our loosies. With Gipa being out long as well, it's a massive thing. Yeah, I'm just happy we could squeeze it into the budget. I mean, yeah.
But he's a player that can add a lot of value in terms of his groundwork, line-outs. He can play
physicality.
He
Yeah.
can play all three positions. So
Yeah, hopefully, hopefully he can. Look, I always say if we are stepping stone for somebody, then it's great. But we want him here for a long time. But if it happens that he moves on after the contract, then it's fine as well. He must just. If we can have him on the field every weekend or be selectable every weekend, it will be great. I think stuff happens for a reason. Gipa being out, I don't think he would have come across our table with Gipa being out for so long. Yeah, we were very lucky to get him over the line.